Do you want to pay all those taxes?
Yeah.
Sounds like fun, don't it?
Mhm.
That's what I thought. Hi folks, and welcome to
Schick Happens.
had to get a cameo in there of the grandkids. We had them out this weekend. And in speaking with my grandkids, by the way, these two here that were out are age 4 and 5, and they'll be 5 and 6 this summer. But our 4-year-old granddaughter, Emmy, her and I had a deep conversation this past weekend about politics. Check it out. Emmy, in 40 years, are you looking forward to your taxes being through the roof to cover the trillions of dollars worth of spending that's happening right now?
Yeah.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Do you want to pay all those taxes?
Yeah.
Sounds like fun, don't it?
Mhm.
That's what I thought.
You do what you do. It's so fun.
It is fun paying all that money.
Mhm.
I'll bet you can't wait till you're in your 40s
Mhm.
and paying all those taxes.
Yeah.
Me too. Well, I'm already past my 40s. I'm in my 50s, but it'll be there. You'll get to pay all that money. Doesn't that sound cool?
Yeah.
Anyway, I thought you'd get a kick out of that. So the footage rolling at the very beginning of this video, that was just this past Sunday. On top of the 2.2 inches of rain we got, it snowed heavy for about 2 hours. Another thing I've been meaning to ask you guys is a month or so ago I posted a fried egg and Cheez-It sandwich, and quite a few people down below said, you know what, I'm going to have to try that. But I haven't heard anything on that video with those comments if anyone actually did. So if in fact you tried making that sandwich, whether you liked it or not, can you leave a comment down below? I'd love to hear your take on it. In case you guys were wondering where the Schickster's been or what he's been up to, I did see him back at one of the ponds the other day bass fishing. He had the camera with him, and I got to thinking, you know, what kind of video is he going to put together? Is it going to be a catch and cook or what? So I did sneak onto his computer and I pulled up a couple recent files. Let me share one with you quick. In the communities of fishing, this is called a 5-gallon bucket of mouth. Its technical term is large jaw of fish mouth. Using the capper unit of measure, this fish will accurately go about 37.5 inches. I will release him back into the wild of water to which I caught him. This. So I don't know where he's going to go with this video or when he's going to post it, but it has something to do with bass fishing. I keep mentioning in all these vlogs that I still need to spray the garden area and the driveway. I'll probably keep mentioning that till the day comes that I do it. We've had a lot of rain recently and some snow, and then the few days that we have like today, it's only like 58 degrees today, but the wind is howling. It just seems like if we don't get rain and it's sunny or partly sunny, the wind's blowing 25-30 mile an hour, and I'm just not going to spray under those conditions. But I have a suspicious feeling here it's going to get done within the next few days, because I really do want to get started on that garden. As far as upcoming videos, there's two certainties. One is this Friday, I'm going to post another firearm related video. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag on exactly what that's all about, but I will say I had more fun making that video than I have since my talking deer video. It was a fun video for me to make, and I hope a few of you enjoy it. The only other thing that I have in the pipeline that I'm almost finished with is a first part of the year blooper video or outtake or whatever of me here on Schick Happens. So those are 2 videos you can look forward to. Other than that, maybe some garden stuff, vlogs, and woodshop videos, I think. I don't know, we'll see. It's whatever I feel like filming at the time. I am, however, going to wrap this vlog up. I appreciate you joining me here today at Schick Happens, and until Friday, cheers. Do you know that's why they want you to vote when you're like 14?
I don't know.
That's why they want you to vote early.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Do you want to pay all those taxes?
Yeah.
Sounds like fun, don't it?
Mhm.
That's what I thought.